This is the Kepler third law interactive calculator, which solves orbital mechanics problems using Kepler's fundamental relationship between orbital period and semi-major axis. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate orbital period, calculate semi-major axis, calculate orbital velocity, calculate central body mass, calculate specific orbital energy, and calculate escape velocity. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Orbital Period. There are 4 input fields: semi-major axis in meters, central body mass in kilograms, orbital period in seconds, and orbital radius in meters. Let's work through an example using test values of 10 for each field. After clicking Calculate, the results show an orbital period of 7.6909 e plus 6 seconds, which equals 89.02 days. The orbital velocity is 8.16 × 96 e 6 meters per second, or 0.00 kilometers per second. The specific orbital energy is negative 3.3371 e 11 joules per kilogram. The orbital characteristics indicate this is a bound elliptical orbit where period increases with semi-major axis to the 3/2 power. This calculator streamlines complex orbital calculations for satellite design and mission planning. Find the link in the description below.